And now, how to complete table of trigonometric values. Given the angle theta, we have 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Isa-isahin natin, kuhanin daw natin ang bali ng sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Since we're going to refer here from this given 0 degrees, the given coordinates or the ordered pair, cos sin 30 degrees, from 0 degrees, the sine value is 0, the cosine value is 1. For 30 degrees, square root of 3 over 2 and 1/2, the given ordered pair. 45 degrees, square root of 2 over 2 and square root of 2 over 2. For 60 degrees, 1/2 and square root of 3 over 2. For 90 degrees, we have 0 and 1. Okay, now, for sine theta, sine 0 degrees, the value of sine is 0. For cosine theta, cosine 0, sa column ng 0 tayo, cosine 0 is 1. How about sine 30 degrees? Sa 30 degrees, uunahin muna natin ang column ng sine and column ng cosine kasi mas madali natin itong makakompleto. Sa 30 degrees, ang ating sine is yan, okay, lahat ng sine ay ito. Sine that is 1/2, 45 square root of 2 over 2, over 2, square root of 3, over 2, 1. For cosine values, cosine theta, we have 1, square root of 3 over 2, square root of 2 over 2, we have 1/2, we have 0. Next, for cosecant theta, for the meantime, we're going to skip tangent. Kasi ang cosecant theta and secant theta is dito lang tayo kuha sa reciprocal. Okay, for cosecant theta, reciprocal of sine, if it is this 0, the reciprocal of 0 is 1 over 0. 1 over 0 is undefined. When we say undefined, any number divided by 0. Because the reciprocal of 0, this is 0 over 1, equals 0. The reciprocal is 1 over 0, is undefined. Okay, now, how about the cosecant 30 degrees? Cosecant 30 degrees, reciprocal of sine. This one, 1/2. Reciprocal of 1/2 is 2 over 1 or 2. How about 45 degrees? That is, reciprocal is 2 over square root of 2. This one, reciprocal of this value. Because cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. Okay, 2 over square root of 2, rationalize tayo. Square root of 2, 2 the square root of 2 over 2, cancel ang 2, square root of 2. Okay, how about this one? Reciprocal is 2 over square root of 3, 2 over square root of 3, this one. Okay, 2 over square root of 3, rationalize, multiply by square root of 3, the result will become 2 times square root of 3 is 2 the square root of 3 over 3, that is 2 the square root of 3 over 3. How about this one? Reciprocal of 1. 1 over 1, still 1. Okay, now how about secant theta? Reciprocal of cosine theta. 1 over 1, reciprocal, still 1. Reciprocal of square root of 3 over 2, similar to this, 2 the square root of 3 over 3. Square root of 2 over 2, similar to this, reciprocal of this is square root of 2. How about this one? Reciprocal of 1/2, 2 over 1 or 2. Reciprocal of 0 is undefined. Okay, now for tangent theta, we're going to apply the quotient identity for tangent function. For tangent function, we all know that tangent theta is equivalent to sine theta over cosine theta. We all know that tangent theta is equal to sine theta over cosine theta. Now, we're going to simplify tangent theta. Let's start with the 0 degrees. Sine theta divided by cosine theta. 0 divided 1. 0 divided 1 is 0. Therefore, the tangent theta is 0. How about this one? Sine over cosine. Again, the value of tangent is when you divide sine theta divided by cosine theta. 1/2 divided by square root of 3 over 2. 1/2 divided by square root of 3 over 2. Nagkaroon tayo ng complex fraction. What will happen? Copy the first fraction, proceed to multiplication, get the reciprocal of second fraction, will become 2 over square root of 3. 1 times 2, 2 or this is cancel or 1. 1 over square root of 3, rationalize the denominator, meaning 1 times square root of 3, square root of 3 over 3. This is square root of 3 over 3. Because that is 1/2 over 2 over square root of 3. Next, how about this one? Tangent theta. You're going to divide sine theta divided by sine is still 1 because they are the same. If the numerator is equal to the denominator, that is exactly 1. Okay, now how about tangent 60 degrees? Sine divided by cosine, that is square root of 3. Square root of 3, we're going to erase this. I hope na lahat ng nakakanood ay nakakasunod sa aking solution. Ayan, we're going to divide for 60 degrees. Square root of 3 over 2 divided by value of cosine is 1/2. 1/2. Complex fraction, again, copy the first fraction, proceed to multiplication, get the reciprocal of 1/2, 2 over 1. This is cancel or 1. Square root of 3 over 1 is still square root of 3. Okay, now, how about 1? 1 divided by 0 is undefined. Undefined. Okay, now, how about for cotangent? Get the reciprocal of the tangent values. 0 over 1, that is 0. Reciprocal of 0 is undefined. Reciprocal of this one is 3 over square root of 3, that is, if the radicand or if the given radicand is still the same or equal to denominator, you're going to cancel 3 or to make it 1. Therefore, the remaining value is square root of 3. The solution is 3 over square root of 3, then rationalize square root of 3, 3 square root of 3 over 3, cancel, square root of 3. How about this one? Tangent, reciprocal of tangent, which is 1, still 1. Because 1 over 1, get the reciprocal, 1 over 1 also, the answer is 1. How about this one? Square root of 3 over 1. The original, the denominator is 1. What will happen? 1 over the reciprocal of this whole number, or whole radical is 1 over square root of 3. Rationalize the denominator. 1 square root of 3 over 3. Square root of 3 over 3. And last, we have undefined. Again, the reciprocal of undefined, that is, we're going to write first undefined. 1 over 0. Again, the reciprocal of undefined is 0. Okay, that's all for today. I hope natuto kayo kung paano or how to complete table of trigonometric values. Again, kung kukuhanin pa rin ang ibang special angles including 270 degrees, 180 degrees, 360. Those are the quadrantal angles. It's okay. As long as you should know the given ordinate pair and the coordinates of the given special angles.